The Namibian President Nangolo Mbumba has hailed the former statesman Dr. Sam Nujoma as a gallant son of the land. Now, Mbumba announced the passing of Nujoma this morning. The 95-year-old died at a hospital in Windhoek. Now, Mbumba says Nujoma heroically marshaled the Namibian people during the darkest hours of the liberation struggle until the attainment of freedom and independence on the 21st of March of 1990.
This morning, the 9th of February 2025, to the Namibian people, our African brothers and sisters, and to the world at large about the passing of our revered freedom fighter and the revolutionary leader, His Excellency Dr. Sam Shafishuna Nujoma. President Nujoma passed on at the age of 95 on the 8th of February at 23 hours 45 minutes in Windhoek, Namibia. Our founding father lived a long and consequential life, during which he served the people of this country he so much loved. Our founding father heroically marshaled the Namibian people during the dark hours of our liberation struggle until the attainment of freedom and independence on the 21st of March 1990. As founding president, His Excellency Dr. Sam Nujoma provided maximum leadership to our nation and spared no effort to motivate each and every Namibian to build a country that would stand tall and proud among the nations of the world. In that vein, our revered leader, Dr. Nujoma, did not only blaze the trail to freedom, but he also inspired us to rise to our feet and to become masters of this vast land of our ancestors. During this period of national mourning, we should be comforted by the unmatched leadership and extraordinary contribution of President Nujoma to the liberation struggle, the development and unity of the Namibian people. I would like to thank the medical staff who cared diligently for our treasured leader. Also, I would like to thank Namibians and friends of Namibia who extended messages and prayers of recovery to our founding father and founding president, His Excellency Dr. Sam Shafishuna Nujoma. On behalf of the people and the government of the Republic of Namibia, I convey my sincere condolences to the founding First Lady of the Republic of Namibia, Her Excellency Madam Kovambo Nujoma, also to Honorable Utoni Nujoma, Minister, the Nujoma children, as well as the entire Nujoma and Kondombolo family. Following consultation with the Nujoma and Kondombolo families, the government of the Republic of Namibia will announce a period of national mourning and burial arrangements.